Hello, hello, good morning. Hi, Gerard. Hi, Ricardo. Hi, Esther. Hi, Mia. Hi, Carlos. Ok. Hola, chicos. Buenos días. Qué bueno verles nuevamente.
Hola, mi buenos días.
Morning. Ok. Muy bien. Tenemos nuestra clase de repaso y luego de esta hora, usted tiene el horario sugerido para hacer su examen de EFL, ¿verdad? Y recuerde que la revisión de nuestro libro la tendremos el día de mañana por la tarde, ok, a la 1:30. Así que nos veríamos mañana también para poder revisar su libro, ¿de acuerdo? Ok, excelente. Muy bien, vamos a esperar que se conecten los demás compañeritos para poder comenzar con el repaso para EFL. Mientras tanto, vamos a orar, ¿de acuerdo? Vamos a pedir al Señor que nos ayude en las evaluaciones de este día, que nos ilumine, que nos dé mucha sabiduría para poder contestar de la mejor manera. ¿Ok? Oramos, chicos. No sé si alguien tiene alguna petición especial. Con gusto vamos a orar por ella. Ok, si tiene alguna petición especial, la puede escribir en el chat, ¿de acuerdo? Con gusto oramos por esa petición especial. Ok. Bien, buenos días a cada uno de ustedes. Perfecto. Ok, oramos, chicos. Muy bien. Ok, Carlos Cornejo, escríbamelo por aquí y con gusto oramos, ¿de acuerdo? Ok. Vamos a ver. Vamos a encomendar a Dios en este momento para que todo nos salga súper bien en este día. Perfecto. Oramos, chicos. Ok. Gracias, amado Padre, por permitirnos, Señor, abrir nuestros ojos, por permitirnos ver las maravillas que tú has creado, Señor, por permitirnos tener una familia que nos cuida, que nos protege, que nos ayuda siempre de manera espiritual, de manera física, Señor, de manera moral. Gracias por poner a nuestros padres en nuestro camino, Señor, en nuestras vidas. Sabemos que son las personas que tú has elegido para nosotros, para que nos puedan guiar por el camino correcto. Te pedimos, Señor, por mucha sabiduría. Sabemos que estamos en semana de evaluaciones y te pedimos sabiduría para que podamos responder de la mejor manera cada una de ellas. Te agradecemos, Señor, además, por todas las experiencias adquiridas a lo largo de este periodo 2, por todos los conocimientos adquiridos, Señor. Agradecemos, Señor, porque hemos estado aquí recibiendo tu palabra también y sobre todo, Señor, porque la podemos poner en práctica. Pedimos de manera especial por las personas que están pasando por alguna situación difícil, Señor, por alguna enfermedad, por los médicos, las enfermeras, por todas las personas que están en el área de salud, para que seas tú quien las guarde, quien les dé las fuerzas necesarias para poder continuar ayudando a los demás. Te pedimos de manera especial también, Señor, por la hermana de Carlos, porque se encuentra un poquito inestable de salud. Te pedimos que seas tú quien la sane, Señor. Sabemos que tú eres el mejor médico de todos. Sé tú, Señor, quien la fortalezca, quien fortalezca su cuerpo, Señor, para que ella pueda estar bien. Te pedimos además de manera especial, Señor, por cada uno de nosotros, para que seas tú quien siempre nos guarde, que nos guarde con mucha salud, que nos guarde con mucho bien. Te pedimos por las actividades que vamos a realizar a lo largo de esta mañana, para que seas tú, Señor, quien esté presente en cada una de ellas. En el nombre del Señor. Amén. Ok, excelente, chicos. Muy bien. Vamos a continuar, ¿de acuerdo? Hoy tenemos nuestro repaso de EFL. Yes. Okay. Let me share this part with you. Okay. And I evaluate on your test the unit number 6. Yes. Okay. So open your book, please. Okay. So you have this one on page, in that case, let me see, 54. Yes, 54. Motor detectives. Okay, remember this one is the unit that we started the last week, and we check some vocabulary words here. Yes. Okay, so let me move this part. Excellent. So let's see. We have the first one. Okay, witness. Okay, someone that help me and give me the definition of a witness, but you give me the definition in English. Yes, no in Spanish. Witness. Okay, who is a witness? This one is a person. Okay, number one, witness. When we say, okay, she's a witness, he is a witness. What is the definition of this word? Witness. Okay. Do you know what is the definition? Okay, witness is a person that see, okay, an event. Could be an accident, could be, let me see, a kidnapping, okay? This one is a person that see the majority of the action in a crime, yeah? And we can consider a witness, okay? If we translate this one in Spanish, testigo, exactly. Okay, thief. What is the definition of thief in that case? We can say that a thief is a good person or a bad person.
Bad person.
Okay, a thief is a bad person. Okay, it's a bad person. It's the person that, okay, do or does that crime. Yeah, okay, commit the crime. Que hace el crimen. Yes, okay, mask. What is the definition of mask? This one is?
Máscara.
Okay, this one is in Spanish. Yes. Okay, so let's see. A mask, in that case, is an object that in the majority of the time, okay, the thief wears. Okay, in this one, he or she uses or wears for avoiding, okay, let me see, for covering the face. Yes. Okay. Fingerprints. What is the definition of a fingerprint? You know, fingerprint.
Yes.
Huellas dactilares.
Okay, into Spanish, huellas like dactilares, exactly. Okay, when you touch an object, okay, so you have here your fingerprints, yeah, on your cell phone, on the table, on your book, etc. Okay, footprints. What is that? Footprints. Okay, so remember, we have two types. The first one is fingertips. Okay, this one is about your fingers, and footprints. This one is about your shoes.
Huellas.
Okay,
Huellas de los pies.
exactly.
El micrófono
Okay.
no me lo dejaba activar ahorita.
Really?
No, de darle, sí.
Okay, maybe is let me see your equipment. Okay, because all of you are activate. You can activate when you want. Yes.
No, Miss,
Okay.
es que no me parecía de que usted me lo había silenciado, sino que, o sea, no, yo le daba clic, clic y no, nada.
Ok, así sucede a veces, que cuando queremos participar no nos dejan. Okay, excellent. So let's see, detective. Okay, this one is a person that investigates.
Lo mismo ahorita.
Okay. Okay, this
No,
one is the person that investigates. Yeah, this one is the detective. And remember, the detective investigates, let me see, ask different questions to the witnesses, etc. Yeah, magnifying glass. What is that? Magnifying glass.
it's
Okay, this one is a specific object made of
that the
glass.
detective used to investigate.
Okay, that the detective used to investigate, exactly. Okay, and evidence. What is an evidence?
Una prueba.
Okay, proves, exactly. Okay, evidence proves, okay? So the evidence is that are the different things, okay, or the different objects that the detective find for, okay, let me see, asking different questions to the witness and for, at the end, okay, catch the thief in that case. Yes, this one is evidence. So this one is part of the vocabulary, yeah? Witness, thief, mask, fingerprints, footprints. Remember, these two are different. Fingerprints on your hands and footprints on your feet, yeah? Detective, magnifying glass, and also evidence, yeah? Okay, and we have different expressions. For example, okay, look for clues. These one are the different actions, okay, that a detective develop, yeah? Look for clues, interview witnesses, process the evidence, check alibis, find proof, and arrest the suspect. Okay, you remember what is the meaning of alibis? What is the meaning of alibis? Coartadas. Okay, coartadas. Yes, okay, look for clues. Okay,
Son
buscar
como razones
evidencia.
para hacer el delito. por decirlo así.
Exactly. Okay, for example, let me see. Imagine that you are the detective, okay? So you ask to a person and the person says, okay, at 9 a.m., that's mean at the hour that the crime was developed, I eating in a restaurant, okay? And the detective check if this person, okay, was eating in that restaurant at this hour, okay? The information is true or false, yeah? Okay, coartada in that case. Look for clues, interview witnesses, process the evidence, check alibis, find proof or find evidences, okay? Remember, proof is a synonym of evidence too. Arrest the suspect, okay? In that case, suspect, you can consider a thief, yes? Sospechosos o ladrones, yeah? Okay, something like that. Let me check here, okay? So you have a question here in the chat. Okay, at that time, we have the check of the book. Okay, listen. Ok, en el horario sí tenemos una actividad distinta, pero en agenda tenemos que a las 8 de la mañana teníamos nuestro repaso de EFL y a las 9 tiene su examen. Entonces, según agenda, la revisión del libro está para el día de mañana a la 1:30. Ok, nosotros vamos a seguir el horario establecido en agenda. ¿Sí? Por eso el día de ayer se le envió una información al grupo en donde habían como cambios de horario, o sea, para que ustedes lo chequearan. Entonces ahora vamos a tener nuestro repaso a esta hora, ¿ok? De 9 a 10 va a ser el horario sugerido para que usted haga su evaluación y el día de mañana a la 1:30 de la tarde yo le voy a revisar su libro, ¿de acuerdo? Yo le voy a estar enviando la invitación a esa hora, se lo voy a estar enviando como a la 1:10, 1:15, para que usted ingrese a la 1:30 para poder chequear su libro de EFL, ¿sí? Ok, creo que eso tenemos que tenerlo en cuenta, chicos. De todas maneras, yo voy a estar enviando la información en el grupo para que usted lo recuerde, ¿sí? Porque tenemos que ingresar a la revisión de nuestro libro. Ok, muy bien. So let's see. Okay, let's continue. Look for clues, interview witnesses, process the evidence, check alibis, find proof, and arrest the suspect. Yeah, all of these one are part of the vocabulary that we study in the units. Yes, so let's see. You need to remember what is the definition of every expression and every vocabulary word in that case. So that's me. You check what is the definition of witness, a thief, a mask, fingerprints, okay, footprints, detective, magnifying glass, and evidence. Okay, when you, let me see, enter to your evaluation, please read carefully the question. Read carefully if you have a definition, okay? And check every answer. So you choose the answer that you consider is the definition of the answer that you consider is the correct for the question. Yes, so for that time, for a reason, you need to take some time, yeah? Okay, for checking this part. So let's see. And remember, this expression, okay, follow an order. Yes, the first activity is look for clues. Yeah, you don't say, okay, the first activity is arrest the suspect. No, yeah, this one is the last step. In that case, look for clues. Interview witness is the second step, or is the second activity that the detective do. Process the evidence, check alibis, find proofs, and arrest the suspects. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Now, these one are the different answers or the possible answer that you can say if you are interviewed by a detective. For example, the detective say, may I ask you some questions? Okay, you can answer, no, I don't think so. Yes, or maybe you can answer, no comment. Okay, or maybe sure. Yes, go ahead. Okay, when you say go ahead, okay, you say if you translate this one in Spanish, maybe you say, okay, démosle. Okay, adelante. Yes, when you say go ahead. Yes, so these one are the different answers that you can say if a detective asks you. May I ask you some question, Carlos Alberto? Cornejo, what is the answer that you give me?
Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. Excellent. So let's see. Gerard, may I ask you some questions? What is the answer that you tell me? Yes, I hear you.
No comment, creería yo.
Okay. Okay, Gerard. So you choose one of these four. Elija una de esas cuatro. Sure, go ahead. No comment or no, I don't think so. What is the answer that you give me? ¿Qué respuesta me da?
So,
Okay, no, I don't think so. Okay, thank you, Gerard. Okay, Mia, may I ask you some questions, Mia?
Sure.
Sure, okay, excellent. Let's see, next one. Ivania, may I ask you some questions? Okay, let me see if you can answer. Okay, Adriana, may I ask you some questions? What is the answer that you give me?
Sure.
Sure, okay, excellent. So we practice this part, yeah? Okay, in that case, we study, okay, the report speech. When you say he says, she's innocent. Okay, let me show you this part. Okay, the title of this one. He says he's innocent. Remember, we talked that the report speech is when you say exactly the words of other person, but you use the verb says. Okay, he says or she says. If you talk about third person, yeah, maybe you can say, okay, they say, we say, yes, it's possible. But remember, only in third person, you add the letter S at the end, yes? He says, she says, yes, because this one, we talk about third person, so it is necessary to add the letter S. He says he's innocent, yeah? Él dijo que él era inocente, okay? She says that he is guilty. Ella dijo, okay? And then you say the expression, yeah? Okay, so let's see. This one is part of the report speech. That's mean when you say the words that other person say. Yeah, this one is report speech. Let's analyze this part. Okay, for example, in that case, this, let me see, I think this one is a grandpa. Imagine that this one is a grandpa, yeah? She's pretty, okay? This man says she is pretty. If you notice, okay, we analyze, okay, we say he. Why? Because the person, okay, that said the expression is a man. So we use the pronoun he. Then we use the verb says, okay, and we add an S at the end because we talk about third person. And then, okay, we mention the complete sentence. She's pretty. Exactly the words that this man says. Yes, okay, he says she's pretty. Okay, for example, this one is a girl, this one is a woman. And the woman says, she's tall, yeah? She says, why we use she? Because the person that express, or the person that says that sentence is a woman, okay? So we are referring to she. And says, then the verb, and then the complete sentence that this person says. She says she's tall, exactly the words, okay? The same word that this person say, yeah? We don't change anything. The only thing is that we add she or he or maybe they with the verb says. For example, this one, okay? Let me see, this girl says, in that case, okay, she's intelligent. Yeah, okay. The boy and the girl says, they say she's intelligent. Yes, okay. We use exactly the words that they express. Yes, okay. So let's see. They say he speaks English. Okay, so we can say, they say he speaks English. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Now we practice. Let me check this part. Okay, let me stop here and we practice with another thing, with another exercise. Yeah. Okay, so this one is report speech. So we read this expression. Yeah. Okay, we are ready to go. Imagine, okay, that, let me see, Carlos Cornejo and Anderson, okay, say this expression, okay? Imagine that Carlos Cornejo and Anderson are talking, yeah, and they say, okay, we are ready to go. So if we pass to report speech, how we can say?
They says we are ready to go.
Okay, they say, okay, let's write
Say.
here. So we write here, they say. Yes, why we don't add S at the end? ¿Por qué no le agregamos S al final? Because we don't talk about third person, yes. Porque no estamos hablando de tercera persona. Cuando es tercera persona, sí le agregamos ese después del verbo, okay? They say we are ready to go, yeah. They say we are ready to go, exactly. Okay, so let's see. Imagine that your mom, okay, say this expression during the morning. Okay, what is the report speech that we use? I love you. Imagine that your mom say this one. Okay. I love you. What is the report speech that we use? Okay. She say or she says? In that case, she say or she says? Okay, she says that she loves me, okay, que ella me ama, or maybe I can say, she says, I love you, yeah? Okay, excellent. So let's see. Next one, my brother won a prize, okay, my brother won a prize. Imagine, okay, that a sister says this information, my brother won a prize. What is the report speech in that expression? My brother won a prize. Okay, tell me. Okay, so let's see. My brother won a prize. What is the report speech in that case? Let me see. Okay, Mario, tell me. My brother won a prize. Okay, Mario. What is the report speech?
He said my brother won a prize.
Okay, she says, my brother won a prize. Exactly. Okay, thank you. Let me see, next expression. Okay, so let's see. Let me check. Carlos Cornejo. Okay, imagine that your father said, I will wait for you. What is the report speech? I will wait for you.
Okay. He said, I will wait for you.
Okay, he says, I will wait for you. Exactly. Okay. Diego Lopez. Imagine, let me see that a friend, okay, tell you, call me later. What is the report speech? Okay, Diego. So let me see if Diego can activate the sound.
Miss, es que él me ha comentado que a él no le sirve el micrófono.
Okay, so let's see. Let me check. Okay, Esther. Okay. Marcus, give me the answer here. Okay, he says, call me later. Exactly. He says, call me later. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Okay, Ari, imagine, okay, that your mom says this expression. Is the baby crying? Okay, what is the reported speech? Is the baby crying? If you report this one, okay.
She says, is the baby crying?
Okay, excellent. She says, is the baby crying? Exactly. Okay, so let's see. Imagine, let me check in that case. Okay, Marian Navas. Imagine that your father say this expression, okay? Don't forget my birthday. What is the reported speech in that case? Don't forget my birthday. Okay, imagine that your father said that. Don't forget my birthday. What is the reported speech in that case? Okay. Okay, he says, he told me, don't forget my birthday. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Imagine that you finish your EFL test. Yes? Okay. And you say, the exam was easy. What is the reported speech? The exam was easy. Okay. All fifth grade says, okay, the exam was easy. Yeah? Okay. I don't have money. Imagine that you say this one. I don't have money. What is the reported speech in that case? I say I don't.
I don't have money.
Okay, I say I don't have money. Exactly. Okay, I say I don't have money. Okay, excellent. And this one is true or false? We don't have money. Okay, I don't have money. Yeah. And we need to buy different things. Yeah. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Now let's continue. Yeah. Okay. Let me check this part. So this one is the reported speech. Yeah, that's mean the expression that you say. For example, this one, okay? Alien confusion. He says they come in peace. Okay, so that's mean you repeat the words, okay, that other person says. Yeah, he says they come in peace. Okay, he says we can visit the spaceship. He says, okay, he wants to take us to South Run. Okay, he says he's from the planet South. Yes, okay, so these one are the different expression that we use. Yes, okay, let's check the other exercise. You have this one on page 57. Yes, okay, so this one is one more time about reported speech. I am from the planet South. He says he's from the planet South. Okay, if you see, in that case, you need to do the agreement, okay, of the subject and the verb. For example, if we say he says, okay, he is, okay, he says, so you use the same pronoun. The verb is in third person, ¿ya? El verbo tiene que estar siempre también en tercera persona si usted habla de tercera persona. For example, we come in peace. Okay, this expression is, or maybe this expression was told by a group of people in that case. Okay, we suppose that. He says they, okay, they come in peace. Ellos dijeron. Okay, you can visit the spaceship. He says we, okay. Él dijo que nosotros, okay, that's mean you. He says we can visit the spaceship, yeah? Okay, so let's see, and we have here some examples. I am very hungry. In that case, it's the girl, yeah? She says she's very hungry, yeah? Okay, you can eat here. She says he can eat here, okay? Let's see, next one. We come late. He says they come late. Yes, okay, this one are the different expressions that we use. Okay, so let's see. Now we practice one more time, okay, about the vocabulary of this unit. Yes, okay, so let's see. I give you some clues and you answer for me, yeah? Okay, let me see. For example, if I tell you the verb, okay, look, what is the complement of this verb according to the expression that we study? Look. Okay, check the vocabulary, please. Check the expressions. On page, in that case, check your book. Okay, so let me check. On page 55. Okay, look. What is the complement of this expression? Okay, let's go to page 55. Váyase a su libro, página 55, y usted me complementa, ¿ok? La expresión look. Okay, thank you, Mia. Look. What is the complement? Look for clues. Yes. Okay. If I say the verb, find, what is the complement? Find. Find. Okay, find proof. Excellent. Okay, process. What is the complement? Process. Process. Check the vocabulary that you have on your book, page 55. Process the evidence. Okay, thank you, Mia. Check. What is the complement of these expressions? Check.
Alibis.
Okay, check alibis. Yes, thank you, Carlos Arias. Okay, thank you, Ari. Thank you, Mia. Okay, so let's see, interview. What is the complement? Interview.
Witnesses.
Okay, interview witnesses, exactly. Okay, thank you, Carlos Arias. Okay, thank you, Ari. Thank you, Mia. Okay, let's see, next one. Arrest. Arrest. Okay, arrest the suspect. Okay, arrest the suspect, exactly. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Now, I read you a paragraph and you try to complete, okay, with the different expressions that we study right now, yeah? Okay, me va a ayudar a completar ese párrafo. So pay attention. Fifi disappeared at noon. I arrived at the crime scene to investigate. Mr. Green, the gardener, and Miss Duster, the maid, saw a large van come. The man in the van took Fifi. I decide to, okay, what is the expression that we use? I decide to, what is the first step that, let me see, a detective did? Or what is the first action a detective done in that case? I decide to,
Look for clues.
okay, I decide to look for clues. Yes, okay, I decide to look for clues. And also, okay, there are a lot of people. So I decide to,
Interview witness.
okay, interview witness. Yes, witnesses in that case. Excellent. So let's see. It was, okay, the car from a local flower store. I decided to visit the store. When I arrived, I saw a white van in front of the store. The driver told me he was delivering flowers in the city at noon. I called to,
Process the evidence.
okay, I called to process the evidence, okay. And also, okay, I interviewed the person and I decide to, what is the next step?
Check alibis.
Okay, check alibis, exactly. Suddenly, I heard barking coming from the van. I say, Fifi, and I, what is the last step?
Find
Our
proof. Find proof.
Okay, and I find different proof that the person that drives the van is the thief. At the end, I,
Arrest the suspect.
okay, at the end, I arrested the suspect. Yes. Okay, excellent. Good job. So let's see. Nice. I don't know if you have some question about this one. ¿Tenemos preguntas, chicos? ¿No? Ok, so let's see. Recuerde,
Yo no, mami,
ok.
porque ya hice el examen.
Ah, bueno, ok. Ya voy a chequear. Ya voy a ingresar al formulario y ya voy a chequear quiénes hicieron ya. Ok, muy bien. Vamos a ver. Recuerde que voy a chequear su libro de acuerdo al día de mañana. Sí, creo que lo tiene allí a la mano. Entonces vamos a chequear desde dónde. Ok, vamos a comenzar a revisar nuestro libro. Ok, vamos a ver. ¿Tiene su libro ahí a la mano? Creo que sí, ¿verdad? Ok, muy bien. Perfecto. Vamos a ver. Vamos a buscar. Algunos me preguntaban, Miss, ¿desde dónde va a estar chequeando el libro? Ok, no le voy a decir, usted sabe que son todas las páginas las que vamos a chequear. Le voy a decir desde qué página vamos a comenzar a chequear. ¿De acuerdo? Ok, denme un segundito. Vamos a ver. Ok, comenzamos a trabajar en este periodo 2. Comenzamos a trabajar desde, vamos a ver, la página 27. Sí, es parte de la unidad 3. Ok, así que váyase hasta la página 27. En este caso. Ok, es donde está, donde dice Geography Quiz. ¿Ya lo encontró? Page 27. Ok, donde dice Geography Quiz. Ok, entonces vamos a chequear desde la página 27 hasta la página donde llegamos, que es al finalizar la unidad 6 en este caso. Ok. Vamos a llegar hasta la página 63, ok, donde está the Bermuda Triangle. Ok. Desde la página Geography Quiz, página 27, hasta la página 63, the Bermuda Triangle. Ok. ¿27 a la 63? Ok. Ok, muy bien. Perfecto. El día de mañana, ok, yo voy a ir mencionando. Recuerde que siempre lo hago por grupo, ¿verdad? Ok, yo voy a ir mencionando. Sí, ok, los primeros 5 que ingresan, ok, muéstrame página tal, muéstrame página tal, muéstrame página tal, y así, ok. Así que el día de mañana vamos a hacer la revisión del libro. Chequee el día de ahora si tiene alguna actividad que le haga falta para que la pueda trabajar. ¿De acuerdo? Ok, chicos, excelente. Un gusto verlos. Tiene su horario sugerido para el examen de EFL de 9 a 9:40 o 9:10 de la mañana. Si lo puede hacer ahora, pues excelente. Si no, usted lo deja para el transcurso de la semana, pero eso sí, no se le olvide, ok, que tiene que realizarlo antes de las 6 de la tarde. Ambos, tanto reading como EFL, porque viernes a las 6 de la tarde cerramos exámenes, ok. Y si usted lo hace, digamos, 10 o 5 minutos antes y no logra contestarlo, cuando yo lo cierre, entonces su respuesta no se va a enviar. Así que tenemos todo el transcurso de la semana para poder hacerlo. ¿De acuerdo? Ok. Tenemos que tener todo. Si usted quiere obtener una buena calificación, ok, en su libro, es decir, un 10 total, tenemos que tener todas las páginas completas, ¿verdad? Ok. Excelente, muy bien chicos. Cualquier duda estoy a la orden, sí, me puede escribir y yo voy a estar ahí pendiente de su examen, ¿de acuerdo? Cualquier cosa, con gusto, yo le resuelvo su situación. Ok, excelente. Nos vemos el día de mañana por la tarde, ¿de acuerdo? A la 1:30. Ok, bye bye, cuídense. Feliz provecho si no ha desayunado y feliz resto del día. Ok, buena
Adiós,
suerte.
Miss, nos vemos.
Bye, Miss.
Bye bye.
Chao,
Bye.
Miss.
Bye,
Bye.
Miss.
Adiós.
Bye.
Suerte en el examen a todos.
Bye.